this video, I am sharing with you guys DIY school supplies. First, take a cardboard and wrap it with a cloth. Then take two different color cloths and glue them as shown in the video. Take any matching lace and paste as the same. For this DIY, you should print out some cute stickers. Then you should paste stickers on your cardboard. Then you should take some pins and glue them. For this you should need a notebook and cover it with white paper. First we will draw the eyes using a marker. Then we will stick colorful paper near its mouth. Then we will take whitener and draw the stars. Then we will make 3 flowers. First cut 4 circles and cut 2 as according to the pencil size. Cut to your favorite emojis. Now glue them one above the other. Now take a strip and glue it around the circle. Now for this DIY, you should take 3 pom-poms and glue them as shown. Now for this DIY, you should take 2 glitter sheets and 2 white papers. These are today's shoutouts.